How to use ChatGPT on mobile. Welcome back to this quick tutorial video, everyone. If you're trying to use ChatGPT on your phone, there are two ways that you can do it. Either you can download the app of ChatGPT or open up a web browser and search for chatgpt.com. If you want to download the app, open up the Play Store or the App Store and search for ChatGPT and just install the application. Once the app has been installed, open up the app and then log into your account. If you don't want to log in just now, you can also use it by default, but all of the chat or the data would not be saved. If you don't yet have an account of ChatGPT, you can tap on the sign up button on the top right and then create your account. You can use multiple options such as your email address or your Google account as well. Once you've been now logged into your ChatGPT account, whether on the mobile app or on a web browser, you can now use it for different purposes or ask any queries that you may have. So that was the video about the way that you use ChatGPT on mobile. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this. That's pretty much it for today. I'm gonna see you in the next one.